The question is, can your mouth reveal a vitamin deficiency before the rest of your body? Have you ever had a mouth ulcer that just wouldn't heal? Or a tongue that suddenly started burning? Gums that bled every time you brushed? Most of us blame spicy food, right? Some blame toothpaste. A few take vitamin supplements on their own. But here is a question. What if your mouth isn't the problem at all? Your mouth may be the first part of your body telling you that something is missing, and science says it often is. As dentists, we don't just look at teeth. We examine your tongue, your gums, your lips, the lining inside your mouth. Why? Because these tissues renew themselves very quickly. हमारे मुंह के अंदर की जो सेल्स होती है वो बहुत फास्टली अपने आप को रिन्यू करती है, इसलिए विटामिन की कमी का असर बहुत जल्दी हमारे जीभ मसूड़े में दिखाई देता है। और दूसरी बात है, हमारे जीभ मसूड़े की ब्लड सप्लाई बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए कोई भी चेंजेस बहुत आसानी से हमारे मुंह के अंदर दिख जाती है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद विटामिन B12. If your tongue becomes smooth, shiny, bright red, or feels like it is burning, don't ignore it. Vitamin B12 is essential for making healthy cells. And when your body doesn't have enough of it, the cells lining your mouth cannot renew properly. As a result, a sore tongue, burning sensation, sometimes mouth ulcers, and sometimes changes in taste even. Now let's talk about iron deficiency. Most people associate iron, or rather low iron, with weakness. But your mouth may notice it first. Painful ulcers, a pale tongue, cracks at the corners of your lips, even a constant burning sensation. These are well recognized signs that deserve attention. What about bleeding gums? Many people assume they are brushing too hard. Sometimes that's true, but not always. Vitamin C plays a vital role in making collagen, the protein that keeps your gums strong. Without enough vitamin C, the gums become fragile. They bleed more easily, and wounds heal more slowly. Then comes vitamin D. We know it keeps our bones healthy. Research also shows that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to have periodontal or gum disease. Vitamin D is not a cure for gum disease, but having adequate level supports healthier gums and the bone that holds your teeth in place. And there are others. A lack of vitamin B2 can cause cracks at the corners of the mouth. Low zinc can delay healing and alter taste. Again, your mouth often notices the deficiency before you do. Now, an important clarification. Not every mouth ulcer is caused by vitamin deficiency. Ulcers can also result from injury, stress, infections, autoimmune conditions, or certain medications, in some cases oral cancer. So here is one rule that I want everyone to remember. If a mouth ulcer lasts for more than 2 weeks, I repeat, if it lasts for more than 2 weeks, don't ignore. Get it examined. Early diagnosis can make all the difference. So the next time your tongue burns, your gums bleed, or your mouth develops repeated ulcers, don't just treat the symptom. Ask why it is happening. Your mouth may be giving you an early warning long before the rest of your body does. And that's why a dental examination is not just about protecting your teeth. Sometimes it is about protecting your overall health. I'm Dr. Manisha Sinha from Danta. Thank you for watching.